Hello everyone. Today I am going to prepare my grandma's yummy chicken curry. My grandma used to prepare this curry when I was a kid. It's a very typical dish from my region Visakhapatnam Andhra Pradesh. It is known for its savory flavor from the spices combined with the tenderly cooked chicken. My whole area kids were wandering around my house due to its aroma whenever my granny cooked it. It is now my husband's favorite too. It is a very simple and traditional recipe, and I highly recommend everyone should try this and savor the happiness it spreads. So let us look at the ingredients needed for this. Half kilo chicken, 1 large chopped tomato, 5 medium sized chopped onions, 5 to 6 green chillies, 1 inch ginger, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, half star anise, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 tablespoon poppy seeds. So firstly we need to make masala paste. For this, 5 tablespoons of oil in a vessel we need to heat. To this, add chopped onions and saute them till they are transparent. Turn off the stove and allow them to cool. Now take blender jar. Take all the spices which I showed you before and all the powders which I showed you before and grind them all. Now in the same blender jar, ginger, garlic, add tomatoes, also the 3/4 onions which were cooked before, put them into the blender jar. And grind it into a fine paste. Add water if needed. Now to the remaining 1/4 onions in the vessel, add the finely blended masala paste. And fry this on medium flame for 15 minutes. As the gravy starts to thicken, add chicken pieces, increase the heat, stir for 10 minutes. Now add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and salt to taste. Add green chillies. Add 2 to 3 cups of water. Cover it and cook for 20 minutes on medium flame until oil separates from the gravy. So now the delicious grandma's yummy chicken curry is ready. You can try this either with the chapati or with the rice, or you can simply eat this with bread. and be mesmerized with flavors. Trust me, my grandma will never let you down. Please try this recipe and please comment how you enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle and travel updates and for recipes updates. Thank you so much, guys.